Hey guys, it's Naturally Nelly, and today I'm going to be doing a product review. So the line that I'm using is going to be Creme of Nature. I have two of their products. I have the Moisture and Shine Curl Activator as well as this Flexible Styling Snot. So I'm super excited to use the Snot because I've heard mixed reviews, and it's supposed to have the hold of like an equal styler kind of gel, as well as the ability to moisturize your hair at the same time. And this is kind of going to be like a leave-in conditioner, kind of cream. I'm super excited to use this. I love Creme of Nature. Their argan oil is amazing. I swear by it. So I'm hoping that these two products do me good. I'm going to be doing a wash and go, and I don't usually do wash and goes too often, but I know that if products work well in my hair for a wash and go, then those products together are bomb. So let's get started.
I love the moon. Every night it's there for you. It's constant, unlike these human beings who lie about what it seems to be. You think the earth is where you stand. You're in the palm of someone's hand, and that's why I love the moon, 'cause it's always there for me. Every night about my window, and that's why I love the moon, 'cause it's always there for me. Every single night I look outside, it's right there for me in my mind, and that's why I love the moon, yeah. Because people can consume my love in the wrong way, so I send it up at night, at night, at night. Real love so hard to find. Just when you think you found it, the illusions in your eyes, it blinds. So be careful where you look for love. Just be careful where you look for love. Real love so hard to find. Just when you think you found it, the illusions in your eyes, it blinds us all. So be careful where you look for love. Just be careful where you look for love.
Yo, that's why I let the moon shine. 'Cause through the time I've been confused on how to move. Stuck in between what wasn't and what could be the truth. High, still up trying to escape these demons in my room. You see, it's no chains dropping, we learn to maintain. Yo, and how could anybody else for pain when they brainwash us and watch us every time we make exchanges of slaves? Locked in a box and use our minds just to escape all the same shit. I'm tired of the pain, love is blind to the flame. That's why I look up, never hide behind the skies in the rain. Promises cooked up, exercising, don't deny you the pain. That's why I look for ways to find whatever lies in the rain. 'Cause shit changed. I don't blame my father for lamping, I believe that helped. What I'm trying to grow is just still trying to grow as myself. So understand it when I'm stranded, taking chances, know I need that. Full fell on my back, you just relax and keep your seat back. 'Cause when you think, that's when you let time run and escape with your mind, loving, that's what you think. So what you think? If love was easy to find, we wouldn't need it to complete our lives. So
Peace to the moon, peace to the stars, peace to Saturn, and peace to Mars.
so here is the final product. My hair is around 65% dry. It's dry on the sides and everything, but in the roots it's still a little damp. This is a pretty elongated wash and go for me. Like my hair shrinks, I want to say 3 times its actual length whenever it dries. Good definition, especially the front. The front is really my trouble area. No matter how much I cut off, it's still very fine and kind of straight, so that texture is just hard to mix with the rest of my hair, especially the back of my hair where you see a lot of kinky curly curls. But the front is, let me just show you guys. Look how, like that is really good. Let's start with the Moisture and Shine Cream. This stuff is amazing. It's very thick and very moisturizing. Whenever I put it through my hair, my fingers just ran through my hair. Like, it detangled, it moisturized, it just felt amazing in my hair. So I give this 100% recommend this. The bottle is a pretty good amount size. This is an amazing leave-in, and my curls popped when I put this in. As for the Snot, I'm going to give it a 95. The only reason why I give it a 95 is because I don't like the way that it feels on my hand. Like, my hands are super sticky and like super just snotty, I guess. As for the hold, this hold is amazing for my hair. I don't feel it being too hard. My hair is still movable and everything. It's great. I'm going to give it a 95 only because of the texture on my hands. My hands are still really sticky. It really brought out my curls. Like I said, these two together, dream team right here. I recommend this. Go out, buy it, don't think twice. You want very defined curls, these are the ones to get. Stay tuned for my next video, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye!